So over here you can see that I have a title text right here, and in the title itself, let me just go around and say TutorTube right here. One of the things that you can do with the title area is you can also go around and add in images. So let me just go around and keep this over here on the top, and let's say what I want to do is I want to insert an image. In that case, I'm going to go around under text right here, and here you can see that image is an option. So if I were to click on add image over here, then what I can do is I can go around over here onto my TutorTube folder and select out an image that I wish to insert. Then I'm going to go around and click on open, and there's this image right here. And this particular image is within this title. So I can just go around and resize it right here and place it wherever I want, just like this. So this is what I have, as you can see, just like this. So you can go around over here onto let's say text, and go to image and add in image over here as well. And then what you can do is you can add in another image as you like as well, and that gets inside of this particular title as well. So let me just go around and add this in, and you can see that it is within that title. So as I resize this title and move around the layer right here, then what happens is that along with the title, the image is there. And if you want to go around and edit it, then you can you need to go around inside the title again and edit it out just like this. And on a single layer like this, you have this title right here. And if you were to go around and add in effects to it right here, then it gets added onto both of the images at the same time as well, as you can see, just like this. So that is how you can add an image in titles inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.